Today, we're about to unleash the full power of the M1A2 Abrams SEP V3, the 2026 new model straight from the heart of the United States. This beast isn't just a tank. It's a symbol of unstoppable American firepower, precision technology, and brutal battlefield dominance. The M1A2 Abrams SEP V3 is the most advanced version of the legendary Abrams series to date. Upgraded to lead the U.S. Army into the modern age of warfare, the 2026 model takes lethality, survivability, and digital warfare to the next level. The engine, a powerful Honeywell AGT1500 gas turbine engine that can push this 73.6-ton giant through any terrain like a hot knife through butter. Speed, over 67 km/h on road. Range, nearly 426 kilometers. This tank was born to move fast, hit hard, and never stop. What makes the SEP V3 so deadly in 2026 is not just its muscle, but its brand. We're talking about state-of-the-art C4ISR tech, command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, all packed into a single armored monster. The new improved forward-looking infrared IFLIR system gives the Abrams incredible night and thermal vision capabilities, letting it hunt targets in total darkness or through battlefield smoke. The 2026 Abrams sees everything. Nothing escapes. Its main gun is the tried-and-true 120mm smoothbore cannon, but paired now with advanced ammunition that gives it armor-piercing and multi-target capabilities like never before. And yes, the loader has access to the latest programmable airburst rounds, devastating against infantry hiding behind cover or drones flying above the field. On top of that, the tank's new counter-IED systems and explosive reactive armor keep the crew safer than ever. But the real crown jewel, the ability to network seamlessly with drones, other tanks, infantry, and command centers. This isn't just a tank, it's a moving battlefield command node, plugged into the digital war zone of 2026. It receives, processes, and sends real-time data, coordinating strikes, adjusting tactics, and dominating with data superiority. Inside the Abrams SEP V3, the crew of 4, commander, gunner, loader, and driver, are surrounded by a fortress of layered armor and digital protection. This tank was built not just to fight, but to win. And in 2026, it's not just a weapon of war. It's a declaration. For Thailand's viewers, understanding this tank means understanding the future of warfare. The Abrams SEP V3 sets the bar. It's a masterclass in American military engineering. And while it belongs to the US, the influence of its power echoes around the world. Stay locked in, Tank Force Thailand family, because the tank game just went next level.